Param Shanti, Supreme Peace, Ma's Divine Message for May 2nd, 2026. You are the world transformers, the ones who uplift the world, who serve through subtle power. You go beyond sound and remain stable in a silent, elevated state. Through your own courage, you inspire courage in others. Not through words, but through the power of silence and remembrance of the Supreme. By staying close to the Supreme Father, you naturally bring other souls closer as well. You empower weak souls to move forward with strength. Such souls are blessed, great donors, and instruments of world service, accepted with love and remembrance. Take a few moments to connect with Supreme Father, Dadaji, and receive spiritual power, magnetic energy, and strength. To become a bestower of blessings, you must gain mastery over three aspects. One is mind, control, and stability. Second is intellect, clarity, and purity. And the third is sanskars. Your impressions, your attributes should be elevated and refined. Mastery over all three transforms you into an angelic, subtle being. At present, the Father is both a bestower, giver of blessings, and creator of destiny. You are currently playing the role of great donors, mainly through words. But as time progresses, you must step into the bestower form, where words decrease and power of thoughts increases. Through pure and powerful thoughts, you can serve many souls in a short time and bring visible transformation. For this, maintain pure thoughts, practice instant control over thoughts. How to control thoughts in a second? By remembering Dadaji in the Supreme Abode. Your thoughts naturally become pure and controlled. So remain immersed in the ocean of pure thoughts, a deep, silent state, and from there become a form of silence. Develop strong break power, ability to stop thoughts instantly. To truly serve as a bestower soul, you must have full authority over mind, intellect, and sanskars, attributes. Even a small weakness in any of these limits your service. This is a great spiritual yajna, sacred transformation process for world change. And in this yajna, offer all your weaknesses and impurities as sacrifices and attain liberation and liberation in life. After this inner transformation, become a light and might house, a master creator of elevated destiny, a benevolent thinker for all souls. So, remain deeply peaceful, sweet, and powerful, serving your true, silent, divine form. Infinite love, remembrance, and peace to all souls. Param Shanti, Supreme Peace.